Level up your Usaa Bank security by adding two-factor authentication in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Usaa website and log into your account using your username and password, just like you normally would. Once you're logged in, you'll be in your account dashboard. Look for your profile and navigate to the security settings. This is usually found under options such as My Profile or Account Settings. From there, find the specific security section. You might see options like Login Security or Manage Security. Within the security settings, you should see a section dedicated to two-factor authentication, often labeled as two-factor authentication, 2FA, or multi-factor authentication. Click on that section. You'll likely be given a choice of methods for 2FA. Usaa typically offers options such as receiving a code via text message to your registered phone number, or using an authenticator app. Choose the option that best suits your needs. SMS is generally a good starting point if you're new to 2FA. If you choose the text message option, you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Then, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. On that number, enter the code into the provided field on the website to verify this is your secure number and confirm your choice. If you chose an authenticator app, the process may involve scanning a QR code. Once you've successfully verified your method, you should see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now enabled for your account. From now on, you'll be required to enter a code in addition to your password every time you log in to make sure everything is working. Log out and then log back in. Congratulations! You've successfully added an extra layer of security to your Usaa account, protecting yourself against potential cyber threats.